Hey guys, welcome to Pen Dentistry. Hope you all are doing good. I am Dr. Aishwarya with you for easy learning and better understanding. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos. Without further delay, let's get started. I will be taking MPDS. What is MPDS? It is a myofascial pain dysfunction syndrome. When muscle spasm develops. What develops? Muscle spasm, dysfunction as well as pain occur. What occur? And pain occur and condition is designated. Condition is known as myofascial pain dysfunction syndrome. The name itself says myofascial pain means muscle spasm, dysfunction and pain. Myofascial pain. The name suggests that what it is. Etiology of the MPDS. Etiology, how it is caused. First one is orthodontic cause. In orthodontic cause, during the period of malocclusion or during malocclusion, the MPDS occur. Malocclusion can lead to MPDS. Emotional causes. When the person or a patient is emotional or overcared, he or she is overcaring his tooth or due to the food habits he or she is having can cause myofascial pain dysfunction. Okay. Prosthetic disturbance. When there is a complete denture and a faulty partial denture. When the dentures you have applied on the patient is faulty and bilateral loss of the molars. When the molars is not present, etc., can lead to prosthetic disturbance and this leads to the MPDS. Tooth muscle theory. What is tooth muscle theory? If there is a interference in the occlusion of the tooth, when the patient is not able to bite properly and there is the occlusion problem, then MPDS occur. Psychophysiologic theory. This In this, spasm of muscle of mastication is responsible for the MPDS syndrome. Myospasm can lead to degenerative arthritis and degenerative changes. Spasm can also caused by dental restoration. When you are doing a dental restoration by fixed and removal prosthetic, then it causes to physiologic which comes in psychological theory and it leads to MPDS. Loss of tooth. When there is a loss of tooth, bilateral loss of posterior tooth can lead to the over contraction of the muscles and this spasm leads to MPDS. Oral habits. Due to the oral habits, there is a muscle fatigue and this causes MPDS. Denture irradiation. Overhanging margins or malocclusion restoration then lead to denture irritation and this leads to MPDS. Now, abnormal occlusion. If occlusion contacts are painful, and damaging, then strain and spasm causes the MPDS. Joint problems. In this, when there is a hypermobility caused by lax, when there is a hypermobility caused by lax ligament, this leads to MPDS. This leads to TMJ dysfunction and then leads to MPDS. Parafunctional habits can also cause MPDS. Okay. Degenerative changes secondary to chronic parafunctional habits or overclosure is due to bilateral loss of the molar. As I told you, bilateral loss of the molar causes MPDS. Features of MPDS. Okay. Symptoms. First we will go with symptoms. Symptoms is, it mostly occurs in, more commonly affected, okay, mostly occurs in the middle age group of the peoples, and males are less affected than females. That means females are more affected than males. Occur multiple times in a day. There is a no counting. It can occur multiple times in a day. It increases when there is a emotional tension. When a patient is having emotional tension, then a frequency of MPDS or attack of the MPDS increases. Pain is there, restricted to preauricular areas. That means it is restricted. It doesn't go beyond the preauricular areas, and it radiates to temporal, frontal, and occipital region. Where it radiates to temporal, frontal, and occipital region. There is a noise, there is a sound while rubbing or grinding. Which sound? There is a clicking sound occur while rubbing and grinding. Toothache. There is a presence of toothache, and patient may suffer from hearing loss. It may be partial or complete. There may be partial or complete hearing loss. What are the signs of MPDS? Laskin's 4 cardinal signs are given. In this, first one is unilateral pain. In unilateral pain, there is a dull ache pain felt in ear or preauricular area or at the angle of the mandible. Okay. Unilateral pain occur in the ear or preauricular area or at the angle of the mandible. Muscle tenderness, most frequent area are neck of the mandible. At the neck of the mandible, muscle tenderness occur. There is a clicking and popping noise in TMJ. There is a clicking and popping noise in the TMJ. And the last one, fourth one, is jaw function. There is a limitations in the jaw function or deviations of mandible on opening. There is a deviation during the time of the opening of the mandible. So 4 cardinal sign is unilateral pain, muscle tenderness. If there is a pain, why pain is there? This because of the muscle tenderness, and due to the muscle tenderness there is a clicking or popping noise. If you are having a pain, you are not able to open the mouth, so there is a deviation of the mandible on opening and jaw function limitation. So these 4 are interrelated with each other. You don't have to learn this. You just have to remember there is a pain, muscle spasm, clicking sound, and jaw function limitation. That's all. Management of MPDS is, first one is counseling. During counseling, the factors which are causing the MPDS will be removed. Reassure the patient that the patient is having MPDS problem, syndrome, disorder. Okay. Suggestion is a powerful tool treatment. Okay. Muscle relaxation exercise. Patient is involved in the exercise. Tongue. The position of the tongue is placed posterior with the palate, contacting the palate, and mandible is to be retruded position. It should be in position for 10 minutes daily. This exercise should be performed 10 minutes daily. Patient told to open the mouth slowly under pain. This is the exercise for the MPDS. Pharmacotherapy are given, that is, tranquilizers are given, sedatives are given, analgesic and aspirin. These are the best for the MPDS. Antidepressant is applied and hypnotic is also given. Physical medicines. Physical medication is hot packs are provided or directly applied on the triggered zone for 10 minutes. Massage is done on the area of the MPDS. Ultrasound and diathermy. Diathermy, this reduces the heat and improve the local circulation. Okay. And what else you can do? You can apply the anesthesia directly on the region, on the painful region. You can go for the hypnotherapy. Patient should have to cooperate with the hypnotherapy. By this, the muscle get relaxed. Okay. Acupunctures. This is for the pain control method. The needles are inserted in the painful region and the spasm is released. Surgery. You can do amnectomy, zygomectomy, okay, meniscectomy for the surgeries. The higher condylectomy with material interposed. The pressure area, you can remove the pressure area of the MPDS by doing the surgeries. Restoration. When there is a faulty restoration, faulty partial denture or complete denture will be removed, the aggravating factor will be removed, then MPDS will be relaxed. The pain will not occur. Prosthodontic therapy is when there is a loss of teeth at the both side. Okay. In such cases, you can apply a removal or fixed prosthetic to maintain the space. So this will not lead to MPDS. This will not create pressure in the mouth. Orthodontic therapy, it is carried out in the patient of the crossbite or traumatic bite when the patient is crossbite, traumatic bite and in parafunctional habit. Then, to know more about me, links are in description box. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.